Welcome in this new tutorial. Today we are going to see how to design this pipe on Fusion 360. So let's start. Open new design, and this new design we are going to create a new sketch on front plane. So now here we are going to select line, and we start drawing our line here to here like this, and we select again here, and we select here, and we say okay. So now we are going to give a dimension to this two line. So come to create, and in create you have here sketch dimension, or you can click on D on your keyboard to activate sketch dimension. So now select this line, and enter your dimension like 80, and we say okay, and the same dimension at this line again 80, and say okay. So now come here, modify, and select fillet. Select this line and this line, and give your diameter or your radius like 30, and say okay. So now you have this sketch is entire finished. So select finish sketch, and come here in constrict, select plane along path. So select this, and select your path. This will be our path, and select here your plane, come it here, and say okay. So now you can select your plane, and you can create a new sketch. So select a new sketch, and this new sketch will be a circle. So select your circle, and come in your middle of your plane, select, and move to inter dimension like 80, and say okay. If this is good, so finish your sketch. So now you can use a sweep function. So come here, create, and select sweep. In the menu they will ask you to select your profile, select your circle, and your path. Select this path. Now you can see your pipe is obtained. So select okay. So now come in modify, and in modify select shell. When we select shell, select this face, and this face again, and enter your dimension. So your dimension can be 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter. It depends on you. So select this and say okay. So here you have your pipe is entire finish. You can go again modify, and select here appearance, and when you say appearance, Fusion 360 appearance will appear. And now can go to plastic, select plastics, and you can see more appearance, and select your choice like this. You can select this, and move it in your path. If you do that, your path is entire finish, and now you have your pipe. So here we have finished our design, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and like the video. It's more important. So let's see you.